afternoon, or good evening from wherever you are joining this class. You are welcome to Prince Maths Clinic. And here we have a very interesting question to simplify. Now, don't be scared when you see a question like this. Most students tend to get frightened when they cite questions like this. But remember, mathematics or any other subject is all about applying the principle. What's the principle here? The principle is just knowing the meaning of square root and also how to simplify square root. So now, if you notice, this square root is still under this other square root. So therefore, I'm going to start from the innermost term. Now, you need to know that square root in math simply means anything to the power of 1 over 2. Let us say square root of x means x to the power of 1 over 2. So therefore, it then means that 100 to the power 100 to the power of 8 is the same as this in square root. So therefore, what does that mean? It means that when I take this 100, or the half is affected by the 100, and the arrow to the power of 8 is also affecting this as well. So it then means that I will say 100, right, to the power of r times arrow to the power of 8, then to the power of r. So 100 can be expressed as 10 to the power of 2. Remember, also r multiplied by arrow to the power of 8 times 1 over 2. Now, half times 2 becomes what? 1. Because 2, we cancel 2. Then arrow to the power of 8 becomes 8 over 2, which will be 10 arrow to the power of 4. Now, what do you observe? The 10 here is 71 arrow to the power of 4. Then this is what? 100 arrow to the power of 4. So they are all under the same power. Therefore, the question simplified is something like this. It becomes 160 arrow to the power of 2 plus. Now, since these two terms now under the same square root, I'm going to write it as 71 arrow to the power of 4 plus 10 arrow to the power of 4. Now, simplifying further, the both of them have the same arrow to the power of 4, arrow to the power of 4. Therefore, I can add them together. So it becomes 160 arrow square plus the square root. 71 plus 10 is 81. All arrow to the power of 4. Then this becomes the innermost step. I have to treat it the way I've done for this. So therefore, I know that my 81 arrow to the power of 4 is the same thing as 81 arrow to the power of 4 all to the power of 1 over 2. And like I did to this one, I'm going to bring out 81, distribute it over half, multiply by arrow to the power of 4 times half. Then 81 to the power of half means the square root of 81. The square root of 81 is 9. Then arrow to the power of 4. What does that mean? Arrow to the power of 4 means what? Arrow 4 over 2, which is 9 arrows squared. So it has reduced to 9 arrows squared. And the power here is arrow squared. So therefore, the third reduces to what? 160 arrow square plus 9 arrow square. Both of them having the same power, therefore, and add them together, it becomes 169 arrow squared. Now, I know that what my 169 is the same thing as 13 squared. Then I have arrow squared. Remember, square root. Then interpret again using the same principle. It means that I'll write what? 13 squared, arrow squared, all to the power of r 1 over 2. So distribute half on all of them. So I have 13 arrow squared. Okay, let's do this. Squared times half multiplied by arrow squared times half. Arrow, sorry, 2 we cancel 2, 2 we cancel 2. Therefore, I have what, 13 arrow. That is the answer. And that is what it means to simplify. All right. So with that, we've come to the end of the question. So please kindly hit the subscribe button and share this video to your friends and loved ones so that all of us can all enjoy simplified math. Thank you very much.